gotta clean our closet today. I've never had a dedicated workspace, and so I'm a little excited. I've been working on it. It's almost done. Just gotta get it done. All right. All right, babies, let's go. First step is to remove everything out of the closet. But fortunately for us, most of it is already organized, so this wasn't too arduous. Except when it came to moving these vinyl floorboards. They were deceptively heavy. I had no idea those were so heavy. Nothing should be that heavy. Whew, like out of breath. All right, I just gotta sweep up this floor and, wipe everything down. Because today is the day we finish the box part. I don't know what color or colors I would want for this closet to be, so any suggestions, please let me know. Right now we're using a disinfectant wipe to wipe everything down. Whee! I love my label maker, but it did give me some issues I had to troubleshoot before it would print. But we're on a roll. For the brushes, I just used an empty container and used that as a lid. Okay, let's put things back in. If I can get it. For this part, I'm just trying to make it make sense when organizing and like how I would naturally reach for products. I just need to order a few more of these containers. And light. Oh, it looks so good. And there's the before and after. Oh wait, I found this. For the lights. And everything's labeled. Just need a few more boxes and yeah. We got this. Thank you so much for joining me on this. Kept me motivated to near completion. And then honestly, I feel like we're still like halfway because, or maybe even 75%. Yes, let's say that because we made progress, a lot of progress. But I'd love to like class up the joints and, have a like maybe paint or wallpaper, pictures, whatever, just to keep the aesthetic and like creative flow and energy in this space. So yeah, maybe that's another video. I don't know, but yeah. Woo, I feel so good. Thanks so much, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.